Isa sa mga anticipated sneaker release this year lalo na para sa mga Kobe fans. Unang nirelease ang Kobe 8 noong 2012. Kobe 8 Protro Halo has an all-white design with a black accent dedicated to the late Kobe and Gianna Bryant. It has a mesh material with embroidered swoosh on the side and Mamba logo on the tongue. Mas makapal na din yung tongue padding niya kasi sa first release. For the lacing system, pure mesh na lang. Wala ng plastic eyelet and flywire cables. Meron pa rin itong hidden KB24 etching sa toe box. Sa heel tab naman, it has a snakeskin-like leather. It has a large Kobe logo display with a carbon fiber heel clip to provide exceptional stability on the heel. Sa insole, pinalitan nila yung Lunarlon insole into the modern Nike React insole for more extra bounce and longevity. Isa pang unique outsole feature niya is yung multiple mini Kobe logo wrap around sa midsole and yung cryptic Kobe code sa rear midsole, which means chase perfection. Itong 4 symbol na to means accuracy, speed, vision, and focus. Sa sole naman, it has a black carbon fiber shank for forefoot stability and it has a herringbone pattern and unique triangular design traction system. Available to sa amin for pre-order. Message nyo lang kami sa social media accounts namin.